Hi everyone, welcome to my mini vlog. I am Mikala Joy A. Paler, an IT student of the Guluan Community College. I have this subject which called Contemporary World. Let me share my thoughts about this. I have expectation from this subject that this journey will be a challenging for me since it tackles about the world. So first, let's talk about what is contemporary world. Well, basically, from the word itself, contemporary world, it is the world we live in right now. In simple terms, it is the study of current global issues, trends, and connections from around the 20th century until today. One of the common global issues right now in 2026 is the human and society, specifically the mental health, especially among the Gen Z and students. This issue is crucial for me because our mind runs everything else. If our mental health is down, school, work, relationship, or even physical health gets affected too. So it is essential to give an attention about this issue for us to be able to function our body effectively. The globalization has influenced my daily life, family, community, or even future career. Basically, it changed how we live, we think, or work every day, even without us noticing. Globalization made us more connected, more aware, and more competitive. There are two sides of globalization that has influenced us. The first is good sides. They offer more opportunities, provide more knowledge, and more connected. The second is challenging sides. They add more pressure, competition, and problems spread faster too. As an IT student, it is crucial for me to study about the contemporary world in order for me to expand my knowledge and have a deep understanding of every corner of the earth.